Okay, so on the PLC 400, how can I create some project and import some drawing inside? So I go to project here, and here what I have is a plus here to create a new project, or here an arrow to import a project that I've created on PLO. So here I create a new project. I just have to call it. It can be trial 1. Enter. I can get a description of it. I don't totally need it. Enter. And now I have my project. I can go on it, and here I have my job. It's called trial 1. I can import directly some layout points out of a CSV or a TXT file, or I can import my drawing here. So I just have to plug plus, import or replace. Okay. And now I just have to say, okay, I have to plug my USB stick here. I go on USB, and there I have all my USBs that I can see. It returns that the kind of files I'm searching are DXF or DWG. I go on demo, and I have one which is called Hey You demo drawing 5 by 3 meters. Enter. And now it's good. If I did a mistake like I did now, I just have to push again on the drawing. I can go on import or replace. Okay. Drawing. This one. Okay. And I change the unit. Here it's in meter. Okay. Loading job. It has been drawn and it's all good. I just have to select it, and now I can start create my point. To create the point I have to go in draw. I'll go on it. And here is all my job site. We can see 3 different buttons on the top, 1 arrow on the left that goes to the right. It will be the list of my points. There are no points so far, so I can do nothing. And once I'm opening a function here, such as the layer manager, I can open with the right hand arrow here, and I have all the layers that appears. And for example, I can disappear one of the layers that I want. For example, if I want to take out the layer called exterior walls, I just have to click on it, and you see the yellow part does not exist anymore. Or if I say I want to take out the foundations, I take it out. Okay. From here I can rotate the view. I can also work with an orbital view, which is this one. I can see, for example, this file is a 3D file, or I can go back on the top. And the button of the right will be only for layouting, so I cannot do it from this option. And on the middle I can have all my drawing options, such as create a line, create a curve with 3 points, create a curve thanks to 2 points and a radius, or create a circle thanks to 3 points. I also can create some point with the left on the second line. I can offset a point, I can offset and length a point, I can just offset or create a gap between some points. And with Kogo it will be only to take some measurements, such as a length between 2 points, or an angle between 2 lines, or an area, or on the eye it will be info. For example, if I want to get some informations about this element, I click on it, I take the arrow, it tells me that the coordinates of the center point of this circle are north 100 and east 100. The radius of this circle is 0.5 meters, and the layer is in the reference. Now what I want to do is create some points of reference. I go on point creation, and I open my menu. I have to say which kind of point do I want to create. I will go for control points. It tells me by default that the first point will be called CP1. I can call with the name I want, and I can change the snap. Here it was on endpoint. I want only keeping the center point, so here we're okay. I have my 3 points here, just have to click on them and OK to create the points. For any reason, if I want to edit these points, such as changing their height or delete it, I can push here on the left and pushing on the pencil, to, for example, changing a point from point of reference to a point of layout with the arrow between circle and triangle, delete a point, or edit it. With editing the point, I'm gonna change by the point, the name, the coordinates, and all this stuff. From now, we have all the information needed to be able to do the layout. So we're going to do that.